Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you information about a financial product that is gaining popularity among foreigners who want to invest in Turkey. The Yuvam Account. Yuvam Account is backed by the Central Bank of Turkey and it offers good returns while safeguarding your assets in Turkey. In this video, I'm going to talk about the details of the Yuvam Account. First of all, what is Yuvam Account? Yuvam Account is a Turkish Lira Time Deposit account which is specifically designed for the foreigners who want to invest in Turkey. In Yuvam Account, the Central Bank of Turkey guarantees your foreign exchange investment and also guarantees you some interest rate from the foreign exchange value, and your money is transferred into Turkish Lira, and if Turkish Lira brings you more interest than its depreciation, then you will be earning more money from the central bank guaranteed interest rate. So it safeguards your investment amount in foreign exchange, and also it gives you the opportunity to earn interest from Turkish Lira. Let's talk about the features and the benefits of Yuvam Account. Yuvam Account can be opened with 4 foreign exchange currencies, which are US dollar, euro, British pound and Swiss franc. The central bank guarantees that you will get the exact amount of your investment in those foreign exchanges plus some interest rate, which is in the long-term investments up to 6%. For example, if you invest US dollar and if you keep your money in Yuvam Account for 2 years, the central bank guarantees you that you will get your initial US dollar investment plus 6% per year from that investment. Opening a Yuvam account is straightforward. When you are in Turkey, you can visit a bank branch which participates in the Yuvam account scheme, and you can ask them that you want to open Yuvam account and you can deposit your money to that bank account. You can deposit your money cash, or the bank can give you the IBAN number and the SWIFT number, and you can also transfer your money from your foreigner bank to the Turkish bank. There are some banks such as İşbank and Ziraat Bank which have offices in other countries. You can also directly go to these branches in your country and you can ask them that you want to participate in the Yuvam account program. There are many advantages of Yuvam account over traditional time deposit accounts. One of the most significant advantages is that, as I already mentioned, the Central Bank of Turkey guarantees your foreign exchange investment and a fixed return on that investment, which is up to 6% per year. And the second biggest advantage is that there are tax exemptions on the earnings of interest from Yuvam account, and it also offers great benefits for foreigners who want to invest in Turkey to maximize their returns. Who can open Yuvam accounts? Regardless of nationality, any individual who is not resident in Turkey can open Yuvam account. For example, a German person living in Germany can open a Yuvam account. Alternatively, a Turkish citizen living in France can also open Yuvam account. All you need to do is that you need to show your proof that you are not living in Turkey as a resident, and you will be eligible to open Yuvam account. Now I will explain you how you can calculate your possible returns on Yuvam account. First of all, there is a calculation tool on the Yuvam account webpage, which is yuvam.tcmb.gov.tr, which is also part of the Central Bank of Turkey domain. And when you go to that website, when you scroll down, you can find the calculation tool. Now I will go over 2 scenarios. First of all, I will start with the optimistic scenario. Let's assume that a foreigner wants to invest $100,000 to Yuvam account for 1 year time deposit. The central bank guaranteed interest rate for US dollar for 1 year is 5%. And let's assume that as of now the US dollar Turkish Lira exchange rate is 30, which means that 1 US dollar can buy 30 Turkish Lira. And as of now, let's assume that Turkish Lira interest rate is 32%. Which is also in these times around in that range. In that calculation, if we assume that in the optimistic scenario, US dollar to Turkish Lira exchange rate will increase to 35 from 30. So in the end of the year, the exchange rate would be, in our assumptions, 35. Then the person makes a net profit of 18% on US dollar terms, because the Turkish lira interest rate is much higher than the depreciation rate of Turkish lira. So which is a very beneficial scenario, earning 18% on US dollar terms. The second scenario will be pessimistic. Let's keep all the constants as same as the previous scenario, which are $100,000 investment for 1 year time deposit, it will be US dollar, and the central bank guaranteed interest rate for US dollar for 1 year is 5%, and as of now US dollar Turkish lira currency exchange is 30, and Turkish lira yields 32% interest per year. If the Turkish lira depreciates a lot, let's say Turkish lira in the end of the year against dollar, the currency exchange becomes $1 to 45 Turkish lira. In that case, normally, as the depreciation rate is more than the interest yield of Turkish lira, normally the investor would make a loss in US dollar terms. However, the central bank guarantees your principal amount and 5% interest rate on US dollar per year. So which means that in any case, you will earn 5% on US dollar terms, whatever happens to the Turkish lira. In conclusion, with Yuvam Account, foreign investors are protected from the currency exchange fluctuations, and also they will get the upside potential if Turkish lira interest rate is higher than the depreciation rate of Turkish lira, which makes it a great investment opportunity for foreigners who want to diversify their portfolio and who want to maximize their returns. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more content. If you have any questions, you can always ask it in the comment section, or you can reach me directly. I wish you great time and great returns in Turkey.